Alright, we are all set up at our campsite for the night. It was free to find in Roosevelt National Forest. We've got plenty of down firewood that we plan to just use in the fire pit. Our plan for the night is to make some delicious ribeye steaks. It'll be my first time making it, so fingers crossed if it comes out. If not, I have a backup plan. Either way, it's going to be a beautiful night. Right now, it's a little bit clear, but we did have some rain coming in, so we've got the pop-up canopy keeping us covered from the rain, our rooftop tent for the night, and we've got our pup Knox hanging out in the truck right now, keeping away from the fire. For the night, it is currently 67 degrees, and it should be a low of about 50 degrees up here, and our elevation is around 7,000 to 8,000. We scored a pretty nice one, and I like it. It's in the trees. It's kind of honestly like my version of camping, like to a T. Pine bushes, nobody around. Gonna make some delicious food, watch the sun go down. We are in bear country, so we got some bear spray. This has become one of my favorite buys from Amazon for camping. Just a little rechargeable water pump. And then I just use some unscented Dr. Bronner's biodegradable soap. And I just use that as my soap. Got this collapsible bin. Collect the water. I've just been putting my seasonings in these little tiny Tupperwares. Oh, I love it.
The fire pit and everything.
I love that. Make sure you're on animal dude watch for me, okay?
I'm always on animal watch, you know me.
Oh my God. My very first ribeye, and I think that's a great success. Now we need to see how it looks. We got a well done steak.
That's okay.
Well, it's okay. Pretty good flavor though.
Yeah, if it wasn't like well done, the flavor would be bomb, I think.
It is done very good. I overcooked the meat a little bit to a well done, but the flavor was really good, and The mac and cheese was good. Overall, solid 7. I could do better with the meat cooking next time, but not bad for my first time cooking some ribeye. I'm going to just add some water in here so we can get it cleaned. And what I'm going to do is get this boiling again. It helps clean everything out really easily. And then dump the water really far away from camp. It's down to 60 degrees outside. Alright, it's the morning time. It is about 6:15, 46 degrees last night. Not too cold in the tent. It was actually pretty warm in our sleeping bags. And Noxie slept in the truck, and his temperature got to a low of about 49 in there, which was not too bad. Now we're just getting warm with the buddy heater with Nox. I'd say I probably got a solid 3 to 4 hours of sleep last night. But I slept comfortably. The stars last night, the galaxy was so pretty. You could see all the stars clear as day. My camera picked it up really nice.
You think okay, fire are not the worst thing.
He said, "Yeah, this one's not too smoky." The plan for the morning is to have some easy breakfast. I brought some hard-boiled eggs. We have some cinnamon rolls that I'm going to make on my vintage flip-top pan. And that's it. Super easy. It's going to be very sweet this morning and just the way we like it at camp. We also have some fresh brewed coffee that we're going to be doing in our AeroPress. And that's going to be a super delicious treat for the morning. We need cinnamon rolls, and hard-boiled eggs, milk and creamer.
Guys, hit it on something too.
We just cook this thing on low and just keep rotating it. Here's a little sneak peek. It's almost there. Coffee is made. Just need to crack the eggs. Breakfast is done. I give this morning camp breakfast a 10 out of 10 for easiness. all packed up, ready to go, and we're gonna head out of here and get home. It was an awesome night. It was such a great spot. Knox really liked it. He didn't mind the campfire this time. And one thing I really liked to this setup this time was this new RV plastic rug mat. It was a great thing to have down for the dog so he didn't have his feet and had a space to just hang out instead of on the dirt. It's been a beautiful morning. It is about 11:30, so we're gonna head home. Overall, I would give this campsite a solid 8 out of 10. I would definitely come back, but there's so much places to explore in Roosevelt National Forest that there's like endless options to navigate. Especially with our Jeep, we can pretty much get almost anywhere that we're comfortable with driving. The road to get here was actually not too bad. I would say it was about a easy to moderate difficulty, but with good tire placement and airing down our tires, putting it in 4-wheel drive, our Jeep handled it really good. Beautiful morning, great sunrise, good breakfast, good coffee, and good company. Thanks for joining me this time on Camp Voyage. I'll see you next time.